Yay! Take the next one, Ruben.
Well, it's not popped all the way.
We just gotta get the air out. Take the next one.
I popped it. Your daddy.
Thanks, one more. Watch Levi.
You know what? I'm 6.
Levi, where's Batman?
You know what?
Levi.
Second is 30 minutes.
Levi, where's Batman? Ready? Go.
First this one.
Okay, Ruben. Is it really that funny, Levi? That's pretty funny, Levi, don't you think? Whoa. Alright, are we all done?
No. We have one more. Mom! We have one more.
Yeah.